Trident's Budni plant, the world's biggest, now the world's best. A USD 1 billion business conglomerate, the Trident Group is a leader in home textiles, yarn, paper, chemicals that has cemented its position on the world map with a global footprint in over 100 countries. With production capacities that rival the world's biggest, the textile giant has covered immense ground in an admirably short span of time. The last 2 decades have witnessed an incredible journey of growth with a CAGR of 30%. Located in the heart of India and spread over an area of 900 plus acres is Trident's Budni plant, a convergence of modern machinery, best-in-class processes, and passion for excellence. The plant houses home textile businesses that are vertically integrated from cotton to yarn and yarn to towel and sheeting. Of the total 555,000 spindles Trident employs, this plant itself boasts 190,000 spindles, becoming home to the largest 100% cotton compact yarn spinning capacity under one roof. Trident's sheeting division takes distinction in its singular composite sheeting plant with 190,000 dedicated compact spinning spindles. With 500 high-speed looms, continuous processing, printing, and fully automatic cutting and stitching systems, the sheeting facility at Budni promises quality along with delivering numbers. Also located here and covering a kilometer is the world's largest terry towel plant with advanced manufacturing capabilities. Here, the state-of-the-art production facilities include processes such as spinning, wide-width airjet, soft flow dyeing, and fully automated cutting and sewing for towels. There's more than just manufacturing excellence to Trident's Budni facility. Nestled in the serene surroundings of River Narmada and Satpura Range, the plant is fully committed to environmental sustainability and is the recipient of several awards in energy conservation. Experience Trident Budni, its manufacturing prowess, and the impressive scale each time you experience the finesse and luxury of the fine products created here. Trident Group.